time. So this is real. The city of echoes. I'm here.
Beneath the city's trembling floor, the librarian found a hidden door.
It opened into halls of glass and gleam, a drowned cathedral caught between dream.
Waters shimmered with runes of flame. Every ripple whispered the tetragram's name.
Cuneiform tablets drifted near, beside scrolls of Eden, worn yet clear.
The flood was not ruin, but memories tied, where Genesis and Enuma Elish coincide.
He read the clay and saw the word, a serpent's tongue and a prophet's word.
The gods of Sumer, the Lord of Law, each reflection a mirrored flaw.
Anu and Elohim shared the same breath. One voice of creation, two faces of death.
Let there be light, and order be made, where one decree through waters laid.
But the flood began to rise once more, as Babel's tongues awoke their lore.
Each language clashed, each symbol cried, and knowledge itself became divided.
The librarian stood with book in hand, as hieroglyphs bled across the land.
Spoke one word. The waters froze. The tongues went silent. The currents closed.
The word was not spoken in anger or war, but unity's echo forevermore.
Waters fell still, the library gleamed. The flood was conquered, the voices redeemed.
He rose through the ruins, dripping with lore, and vanished through silence, beyond the cosmic door.